tao. Tao na lang. Buhay. Good morning, everyone. To my followers, viewers, friends, and everyone. Okay, for this morning, sharing you my lifestyle in Davao, which I was not able to do when I was still in the teaching service. So, I'm doing this like this every morning. I have enough time here in Davao. Simple, basic exercises, which I love to do. Just like this, wherein we can stretch everything. Our arms, our legs, in order to lose our belly and have our small arms. Okay, just this one. 1, 2, another 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay, just as simple as that, and a little jogging. I'm here in Pequeño. This is the gym of the subdivision. It's good there's no other people here because it's Monday, and the young people who used to be here to have basketball, they are on their classes now. Okay? So just a simple thing that I'm doing, like running, jogging like this. Okay, it's really nice. Or having my basketball club, not much as this, also a basketball court. Okay, just like this one, Ringdon's basketball club in the class. Ready? 3 claps and 3 stamp your feet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Dribble the ball, exhibition, exhibition, traveling, and shoot the ball. Okay, let's do it faster. Basketball club, also my exercises, which really is one of the privileges of a teacher out the service. I have my time. I can do on what I want. Okay, this is it. We'll make it faster. Basketball, Ringdon's club. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Dribble the ball, exhibition, exhibition, traveling, shoot the ball. Okay. And other exercises wherein I love this one really. I used to have this simple exercise which I really enjoy. Okay, ready? Like this. 1, 2, then another one, up, 1, 2, 1, and 2. Another one, to the left, 1, 2, down, 1 and 2, and another 1, 2, and another one. Okay, I love that one. And of course, with using the feet also, my favorite figure is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, to the left again after the right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's I really love that one. Having my exercises like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, just as simple as that. Wow. My new life, my new chapter, my new beginning. This is the benefits of being out of the service. Wow, so amazing world. Okay, and I really love doing this one, or like this. 1, 2. Although I'm not a boxer, I'm not a dancer, but I was able to have simple exercises. Okay, and to the left, to the right. Okay, it's a wonderful world of stress-free. I like also this one, stretching my arms and my legs. Okay, another one.